Millions of families across the country are shopping on a tighter budget. That's because stimulus money for food stamp benefits ran out this morning. Sarah Hollenbeck is live at the Thriftway store on Main Street with more. Good morning, Sarah.
Hi, Patrick. We came to the Thriftway with just $2. In this new food stamp plan, a family would only get $1.40 per person per meal. Now, that's not a lot of money. Check out what I got. Just a banana and some off-brand macaroni and cheese, and my total, just about $2. That's all this family would get per meal. Now, this is happening all around the country, and there isn't much in this store or any store for under $2 in the aisle. On average, a family of 4 will now have 36 fewer dollars a month. 1 in 10 people in Kansas are on food stamps, and in Missouri, it's 1 in 7. And the cuts may not be over. Both Republicans and Democrats have proposed slicing money off the program. Senate Democrats have proposed cutting $4.5 billion, and House Republicans are pushing for 10 times that, almost $40 billion off the program.
I have lots of grandkids, and for myself, I only get $32, and it's hard to try to go shopping here on $32 worth of food stamps. It'll be really hard for me and quite a few other families.
And Patrick, listen to this. This store gets 70% of all of its revenue from food stamps. So this will also really hurt stores like this, these small mom and pop businesses like this one on Main Street. We are live at the Thriftway. I'm Sarah Hollenbeck, 41 Action News.